Hi guys, Frugal Gal here, back with my jewelry lots for just $1, and you read it correctly. This is going to be a box of bracelets. It's lot number 7. I'm pretty sure it's lot number 7, yeah, because I did 3 on each one. So lot number 7. And yes, it's just $1, because it's a box of bracelets. Because I want to, okay? Now, look, please don't come at me in the comments. I've had people come at me, not come at me, I shouldn't say, but say, you sell your stuff too cheap. I'm sorry if I'm trying to help you guys out. I know what it's like to be a reseller. I also know what it's like not to have money. So, there is nothing wrong with this stuff that I'm selling in lots for $1. It really isn't. If you guys are like, oh, she's selling stuff and it must be junk for $1. It's not. It's just stuff that I don't want, that I've made money off of the total purchase where I'm going to because I found a really nice piece in. And I want to help people out. So this is a box of bracelets. You won't get my pretty box, sorry, but I will put it in a nice box for you. It weighs over 4 pounds, so it's we're going to say, given it was like 4 pounds, 2 ounces. So given the ounces of the box, I'd say 4 pounds of bracelets. These are all different kinds of bracelets. Like you got the stretchy, the shell bracelet. Isn't this abalone shell? And then you've got, there's a wrap bracelet in here that is signed Stella and Dot. These are plastic, but they're faceted. And they shine off the light, like AB, but plastic. I think they're AB for plastic. This one, is this a Stella and Dot? Yeah, there's one in here that is a, let me set my thing down so you can see. I know Stella and Dot. Is Stella and Dot still an at-home company you sell for? And it's probably leather. I don't know. It's a wraparound like that. It's not missing anything. I've checked these when I went through them, and they all are good. This is an interesting one. I think it's just plastic, but it's made to look like it's almost like bone, and it actually fits my wrist, which is unusual. So, because I have a wide hand right there. So you get all these, all 4 pounds of them. There's some wire wrapped. I mean, you can just take these apart and make stuff out of them if you want to. But they're good enough to wear, is what I'm saying. I'd wear any of them out in public. I mean, I might be looked at because they're not my style. But here's another wraparound one. It's not marked, but it's perfectly good. Anything that I don't think is worth selling, I throw away, to tell you the truth. I'm not going to pass you on something that I don't think is worth selling. It's a nice cuff bracelet, and I'm not sure. That's not a stone or anything, it's a piece of plastic, but it's made to look like a stone. That's nice. This is just a plastic bracelet. This is a wooden one. There's a clamper style one. Oops, sorry, I'm down here. It's silver tone. Look at this one. Isn't this one pretty? Well, I think it's interesting because of the shape and pretty. There's these wooden beads. These are the colors of Africa, right? Hope I'm right on that. Maybe, yeah, it's Africa. This one's really interesting. It's not lost its stretch at all. So the first person who comments they want, you just have to pay, you know, you'll pay for shipping. But I will send these the most affordable way I could possibly send them, which is usually ground shipping, U.S. ground. There's 3 stuck together, 1 silver, 2 gold. I don't think they're marked. Here's some bead ones that are just yellow beads. Let's see, you got this one that has that. Oh, so it must have a magnet on it because it's sticking to that. Wait, see? And you put it on like that. That's really pretty. Oh, these. I'm not sure what. I have 2 of these. One's got these stones in them. Rhinestones. Yeah, rhinestones. And then there's another one somewhere that is, yeah, these cute little ones. Here's an Alex and Ani one. There's another Alex and Annie one, or Ani, whatever, that is got a Navy one. It's got U.S. Navy on it. Okay, so first person who says they want this, because it's for $1, plus you pay whatever it costs to ship. Like I said, I'll send it the cheapest way possible. Now, I gotta go take the trash cans down before it gets too late. Alright guys, bye.